Introducing Digital ABS Plus, a new Polyjet digital material. The material comes in two color versions, green and ivory. The advanced accuracy and resolution of Polyjet technology, combined with the toughness of Digital ABS Plus, means you can support even the most extreme functional prototyping scenarios, from the weight of a person to the weight of a commercial vehicle. Use it to prototype smooth, complex parts featuring metal inserts, snap fits, and precisely fitting mechanical connections. Program the material to print in Digital ABS Plus 2 mode to produce strong and accurate thin walls below 1.2 mm or 0.047 inches. Using the new Sub 706 soluble support material will ensure that thin walls and internal cavities come out perfectly. The multi-material jetting capability of Polyjet 3D printing allows you to create parts that combine Digital ABS Plus with additional materials such as colors, transparency, or rubber-like elements such as the new Agilus 30 material with enhanced tear resistance and texture. This rigid rubber combination is ideal for functional prototypes featuring soft touch parts, overmolding, living hinges, instructions, and text. And it goes without saying that the toughness and accuracy of the material makes it suitable for injection molding, jigs, fixtures, stands, moving parts, and complex assemblies featuring internally engineered movements. Digital ABS Plus, the material of choice for when you need freedom of design and the assurance of functional performance.